tyres of this car had just been replaced, and afterwards the wheels were balanced on a wheel balancer. Yet the steering wheel still vibrates when the car is driven. How come? A wheel balancer measures and corrects unbalance, but not run out of the wheels. This is what may be behind run out. Run out of the rim, run out of the tyre, and or run out of the tyre rim assembly. The consequence? The car is far from running smoothly. Tyres wear out much faster. Driving safety might well be jeopardized, particularly when braking or cornering. The HOFMANN GEODYNA Optima is much more than a mere fully automatic wheel balancer. It is a diagnostic device with non-touch laser technology that is extremely convenient to operate. Alongside the standard features of unbalance measurement, the GEODYNA Optima also measures and corrects tyre and rim runout. Clamp the wheel on, close the wheel guard. That is all there is to it. All data, such as wheel dimensions, lateral and radial runout, number and position of spokes, and unbalance, are measured without the wheel having to be touched. The GEODYNA Optima increases productivity of the garage because it combines various work steps and consequently saves time. It adds to the professionalism and competence of the garage by diagnosing and remedying the ride problems of the car. Simply unique. GEODYNA Optima. The wheel is clamped onto the wheel balancer with the patented power clamp device, using a cone and a stud hole flange. The great benefit here is that the wheel is clamped on with maximum precision, an absolute must for any balancing operation. There are no more input errors, due to the fact that manual input of weight placement and wheel dimensions is a thing of the past. The laser scanner first scans the inner rim contour with utmost precision to determine the offset wheel diameter and weight position. Then it detects the position and the number of spokes. Afterwards, the wheel width is measured with a scan of the outer rim contour. Now the wheel data are complete. Finally, the rear scanner determines radial runout of the tyre rim assembly. If there is no indication of runout, the GEODYNA Optima will switch over automatically to the balancing screen. This enables the unbalance detected to be corrected. If, however, the preset threshold value for radial runout of the tyre rim assembly has been exceeded, GEODYNA Optima becomes a diagnostic device. It automatically measures radial and lateral runout of the rim, clearly determining the cause of runout. This is what GEODYNA Optima alone can offer. Coming on automatically, here is the Optima screen with the graphics of radial runout and the radial runout values for the wheel and rim. Any improvement to ride is shown as a percentage. The operator is guided step by step through the easily understandable matching procedure, where the tyre is readjusted relative to the rim to compensate for runout and consequently to improve ride. First, turn the wheel valve to the 12 o'clock position and store this position by a simple key operation. Then rotate the wheel until the red arrows on the screen turn green and mark this position on the tyre with chalk in the 12 o'clock position. Now unclamp the wheel and on a tyre changer, turn the chalk mark on the tyre until it is level with the wheel valve. Now tyre and rim are optimally positioned to each other. The wheel is once again clamped onto the GEODYNA Optima. In a final measuring run, the unbalance is measured and corrected. Alloy rims mostly have spokes, so that adhesive weights may be visible from the outside. To avoid this, a simple key operation enables the weights to be divided up so that they can be positioned behind the spokes. In other words, one single key operation is sufficient to take care of this once complicated procedure. During every measurement in Optima mode, the tyre tread depth is measured automatically. The screen shows whether tread depth is OK, critical or out of tolerance, preset threshold. This is a good argument to sell new tyres. If a rim is clamped onto the Geodyna Optima and measurement is started, the balancer recognizes automatically the radial runout of both bead sets and lateral runout of the rim. Although wheel alignment had been accomplished on the car, it still pulls to one side. The cause often is conicity of the wheels. Here comes Geodyna Optima with the features balance a set of wheels and optimization, where the data of up to 5 wheels are measured and stored. The rear laser scans the outer tyre surface. The Optima uses the scanned data to calculate the pull index, proposing the optimum position on the vehicle for every single wheel, so that the pull index on every axle is compensated for. Consequently, the wheels presenting the lowest pull index are assigned to the rear axle. If, however, steering wheel vibrations are to be reduced substantially, a simple key operation is enough to make the Optima propose the 2 wheels with the lowest radial runout for the front axle. Here is another benefit. The optional printer enables all the data to be handed over to customers straight away, the customers being more than satisfied. With the HOFMANN GEODYNA Optima, the garage has a great deal more than a mere fully automatic wheel balancer. It is also a diagnostic device with non-touch laser technology and extremely convenient operation to satisfy the high expectations of your customers. The HOFMANN GEODYNA Optima, the one and only wheel balancing and diagnostic unit made by Snap-on.